Hello dear student, welcome back to my channel. We are going to continue the next part of the fourth topic, that's Phylum Mollusca. It is also said as the soft-bodied animal. The first characteristic is the organism. The organisms included in this phylum, it shows the organ system. The second characteristic is the organism shows the bilateral symmetry. Next one is the organisms are the triploblastic, that is there is a presence of the three germ layer, ectoderm, mesoderm and the endoderm. The next there is a presence of the true coelom, that's a true body cavity is there, so it is says as the coelomate. The next one is this coelom, it is present between the body wall and the alimentary canal. So you can see there this one is a body wall and in the region there is a presence of the coelom. That's a coelom which is present between the body wall and the alimentary canal. Next characteristic is the organisms which is mostly found in the aquatic region. Few are the terrestrial one. About the digestive system. Digestive system, it's a complete type of digestive system, means there is a presence of the two distinct opening. First one is a mouth and the second one is a anus. The respiratory system, in case of aquatic animal, the respiration it's by means of the gills, and in the case of the terrestrial organisms, there is a presence of the pulmonary sac. The pulmonary sac in the terrestrial form which is used for the respiration. Next one is about the circulatory system. The circulatory system, it's an open type of circulatory system. That is the blood, it is pumped by a heart into a body cavity, that is says as the coelom, and this coelom it is filled with the blood, so it is called as the hemocoel. Means the body cavity which is filled with the blood, and that is called as the hemocoel. Afterward, about the reproduction, the organisms are the dioecious, means the sexes are separated. That is, the male and the female are separated. They are mostly lays the eggs. So it is says as the oviparous, and the development it's a direct or indirect form. About the facial characteristic, the body has the heart, the body has head, visceral mass. There is a presence of head, visceral mass, and there is a presence of the muscular foot. The three distinct parts is present in the body of that organism. The head, it's having the sensory tentacles, and on the visceral mass there is a presence of the calcareous shell. The shell, it's a two-way. First one is a univalve shell and the second one is a bivalve shell. Next special characteristic is the feather-like gills is there. The gills, it's a somewhat feather-like and which is used for the respiration as well as aspiration. The mantle and the radula are seen. What's the mantle? The mantle, the membrane which covers the visceral mass. This one is a mantle and it covers this mantle, it covered with the visceral mass. The space between the hump and the mantle is called as the mantle cavity. The space present between hump and mantle is called the mantle cavity. The second one is the radula. This radula, it's a file-like rasping organs. It is present near to mouth, in the mouth of mollusca. It's a file-like. It's a file-like rasping organs, and it is present. You can see here. This one is the mouth. It is present in the mouth of mollusca. It is used for feeding. So you can see here. This one is the radula, and this radula it is present in the mouth, and it's used for the feeding. The second one is the mantle. The mantle, It shows the presence of cavity, and that cavity is called as the mantle cavity. Next about the example. Its example is the apple snail, that is a phyla. Second one is a pearl oyster. Next one is the cuttlefish. Next one is the squid. Then the devilfish, sea hare, then the tusk shell, and all these are the examples of the phylum Mollusca. What's about the summary of this phylum? The organisms included in the phylum Mollusca, they shows the organ system. The body it's bilateral symmetrical. There is a presence of the germ layer, and these are the tryptoblastic. There is a presence of the true coelom. They are mostly found in the aquatic region, and few are the terrestrial one. There is a presence of complete form of digestive system. The respiration which is occur by means of the gills in the aquatic form, and the pulmonary sac in case of the terrestrial form. The circulatory system, it's an open type of circulatory system. The reproduction which is occur the organisms, these organisms are the dioecious, they are the oviparous, means they lays the egg, and the development it may be the direct or the indirect. What's a special characteristic in case of the phylum Mollusca? The body it's having head, visceral mass, and the muscular foot. The head is having the sensory tentacles. There is a presence of the feathers like gills, and which is used for respiration and the excretion. Calcareous shells are present, and there is a presence of mantle and the radula. Example is a pinna. Second one is a pinctada. Next one is a sepia, logia. Then the octopus, aplysia, dentalia, and the Chitoplura. All these are the example of the phylum Mollusca. Hope so you understood it. Thanks.